Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful spiritual tip. In this video today, I want to teach you alligator pepper spiritual benefit for money, how you can use it. Okay, so make sure you are going to watch the video to the end so that you get the whole information on what alligator pepper can do spiritually for money. Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, if you have this problem of money not lasting in your hand, anytime money comes into your hand, there will be a problem that will arise at the moment and take that money away from you. Or you have this problem of when you get money today, before you get another one, it will take up to 2 to 3 months before you get another one. In this video, I want to share with you what you can do with alligator pepper to stop all these problems. Okay, stop all these problems. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you get the whole information on what you can do with alligator pepper. Now, what you need to do if money doesn't stay in your hand, like anytime money comes into your hand, there will be a problem that will arise that moment to take that money away. Okay, what you need to do is to go and get your alligator pepper. Yes, you need to go and get your alligator pepper. When you get your alligator pepper, you open it from your back, like you open it from your back. Okay, now when you open it from your back, you bring out 21 seed from the alligator pepper. Yes, you bring out 21 seed from the alligator pepper. Now you're going to use that 21 seed and pray. This spiritual assignment, you're going to do it in the afternoon by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, do it in the afternoon by 2 o'clock. Use that 21 seed of alligator pepper and pray. If money doesn't last in your hand, like anytime money comes into your hand, there will be a problem that will rise and take out that money from you. Now, in the afternoon, pray with that 21 seed of alligator pepper. Okay, as you pray, you say that whatever thing that is always coming to me to take away money, anytime money comes into my hand, I'm destroying you today. This will be your prayer point. Okay, now after praying, go and bury that 21 seed of alligator pepper on the ground. Okay, look for somewhere and bury that 21 seed of that alligator pepper. That's the end of that problem. That is the end of that problem. That is a simple way you can end that problem. Okay, now if you have this problem of if you get money today, before you get another one, it will take up to 4 to 5 months. You also need your alligator pepper. Now when you get your alligator pepper, you're going to bring out 14 seed. Okay, now the 14 seed now of that alligator pepper, you are going to use it and make a circle on the ground. Okay, make a circle on the ground and stand at the middle of that circle and pray. Say whatever thing that is causing money not to be coming to my hand, that today I'm making this prayer to end you today. Now this spiritual prayer now, this assignment now, regarding the one that money comes to your hand once, like let's say once in a month or 3 months, you are going to do it in the night, not in the daytime. In the night, starting from 7 o'clock upwards, you can do it anytime, but make sure it is in the night. Make a circle on the ground with that 14 seed of alligator pepper. Okay, I start at the middle of it. Now pray whatever thing that is causing money not to come into your hand constantly. Okay, now after praying, you pack that alligator pepper that is made the circle with your left hand. Use your left hand and pick all of them. Okay, now after picking all of them, we are going to dispose it on the road. Okay, disposing it on the road where cars or vehicles normally pass or legs. Just dispose it there, and that will be the end of that problem. Okay, make sure you pray, because the prayer that you say have power. The power of prayer and alligator pepper, that will be the end of that. Okay, say prayer to God, and that will be the end of that problem. Okay, of money. Okay, not coming into your hand regularly. Okay, so that is all you can do with alligator pepper. That is spiritual benefit of alligator pepper when it comes to money. Okay, you can also use it to attract money, but I will share that in my next video. Yes, I will share how you can use alligator pepper to attract money in my next video. Okay, so make sure you are part of this channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, if you have any question that you want to ask, you can use the comment section. I'll reply you. Okay, and if you want to talk to me, my number is on the screen. Don't pick number from the comment section so that scammers will not get to you. Okay, so that is what you can do with alligator. That is spiritual benefits of alligator pepper for money. Okay, if you're having issues with money, use alligator pepper this way that I just said, and that will be the end of it. Okay, in my next video, like I said, I will show you how you can also use it to attract money. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.